Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If a smoothie is part of your morning routine or a typical post-workout snack, you'll want a blender that makes quick work of ingredients like chunks of frozen fruit and leafy greens like kale. There are many products available. To choose do blender each with different characteristics, benefit and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best do blender from reputable good brands. After much research I found the product. These products are very helpful and interesting for people. If you want to know about the price and more information of product, watch the full video. Number 1. Magic Bullet Blender. Magic Bullet 11-piece set blender and food processor for kitchen with over 40 million bullets sold. Make it fast by keeping it simple. Does any job in 10 seconds or less. High-speed blender and mixer. 10-second recipe book included. Like your personal kitchen food processor and blender assistant. Do it all with high-speed blender and mixer system. Chop, mix, blend, whip, grind, and mince. Handy, versatile and easy to use, the Magic Bullet blender and food processor takes up minimal counter space while showcasing maximum speed and versatility. With its unique design and compact size, the Magic Bullet blender and food processor chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more in less time than it takes to assemble standard kitchen appliances. Make the perfect smoothies and milkshakes, frozen cocktails, and pureed soup super easily. And with a wide array of dishwasher-safe attachments, cleanup is as easy as it gets. The secret to the Magic Bullet's time-saving efficiency is its specially designed blade and unique bullet shape. These features work together to quickly and forcefully circulate food back into the cyclonic cutting zone, allowing the Magic Bullet to do virtually any food prep task in seconds. Number 2. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. You knew it was coming. For a high-performance blender, you cannot do better than Vitamix. The precision, power, and speed paired with the relatively quiet motor put it a cut above the rest. Rachel says, "This machine is serious business. If you think a smoothie can't get smoother, put it in a Vitamix. This machine is a dream and totally lives up to the hype." The Vitamix Professional SCRIES A3500 comes complete with 10 speeds, an acceleration-deceleration knob, and a number of presets, including a cleaning preset. Vitamix does recommend hand washing for long-lasting durability. Because of the heavy, stable base, it's not advised that you regularly move this appliance from the cabinet to the countertop. While this might be the best blender on the market, the price point is a hefty investment. This is a forever machine, one that will stand the test of time and make you a better cook, says Rachel. Touchscreen controls are easily wiped clean, and a programmable built-in timer helps you achieve your perfect blend every time. Create a personalized blending system by pairing the Ascent Series A3500 with a range of compatible containers and attachments. This blender can replace these 11 kitchen tools. Stand mixer, hand blender, meat grinder, spice grinder, ice cream maker, baby food maker, food processor, juicer, chopper, knife, mortar and pestle. Number 3. Ninja BN751 Professional Plus Duo Blender. This is a very powerful machine. It produces a very consistent smoothie with very few rough pieces. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender Duo with Auto Ick features a new modern design and a more powerful motor than Ninja's original Professional Blender Duo. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender Duo with Auto Ick features a new modern design and a more powerful motor than Ninja's original Professional Blender Duo. This is a great blender to go for if you're primarily looking to blend smoothies and shakes, as it only has 3 speeds and 2 presets. The base doesn't occupy too much space on a countertop, and its sleek design makes it an attractive permanent feature to any kitchen. The unit also features an additional travel cup which is top rack dishwasher safe, as are the other removable parts. Number 4. Professional Countertop Blenders for Kitchen. The Quality Blender is a kitchen workhorse that will take so much unnecessary work and frustration out of your life. You can use your blender for many tasks, such as pulverizing ice for the smoothest frozen decors, pureeing soups, grinding coffee, and even making nut butter. It comes with a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches, and 2 different personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. Both cups have lids that make it easy to take your smoothie to go. It features an extract button that blends smoothies at pre-programmed variable speeds. We blended kale smoothies in all 3 jars, and all were uniformly smooth with no flecks. It also blasted through frozen strawberries effortlessly to make a delicious, evenly processed daiquiri. The base is not much larger than other NutriBullet models, and it has suction cups on the bottom that reliably prevent it from shifting around. The blades screw onto the top of the Number 5. Awesome 19-in-1 Bullet Blender. Pulse Technology. The powerful 850-watt push-to-blend motor base powers through everything inside the cup to provide you with the best blending. And the speed of 22,000 RPM enables your personal blender for shakes and smoothies to expand your creativity in the kitchen. Unlimited versatility. Awesome bullet blender with a 6-leaf cross blade for more potent blending. Effortlessly pulverizes fruits, vegetables, superfoods, protein shakes, green smoothies, seeds, keto shakes, and breakfast shakes. Of course, we also supply 2-leaf blade which you can use to grind coffee beans or condiments. 19-in-1 compact blender. Awesome supplies plenty of accessories for you, which comprise 1 main unit, 1 300 ml grinding cup, 2 600 ml portable bottles, 1 2-leaf blade, 1 6-leaf blade, 1 sealing lid, 1 steam hole lid, 2 flip lid, 1 cleansing brush, 2 rubber rings, 2 stainless steel straws, and 4 foot pads. So compact that it lays on any countertop and possesses intuitive, easy-to-use controls. Convenient portable blender. Turn your healthy beverage into a to-go mixed beverage and add extra portability for transporting to the office, gym, or class, in the car, or in your bag. Enjoy tasty and healthy homemade beverages everywhere. All parts are BPA-free, disassembled, and easy to clean. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos and daily upload. If you need more information if you want to know different product quality and want to get product related videos every day, then subscribe my YouTube channel. And you want know the product price, check in the description box. And for any kind of problem, please comment. Thanks for my watching video.